Now we are going to see the question number 9. A wave travels along the positive x direction with a speed of 20 meters per second. Amplitude is given as 0.2 centimeter and wavelength as 2 centimeter. Write a suitable wave equation which describes this wave. So, as a wave is given in the question, and this wave is propagating along positive x direction, and the speed with which the wave is propagating is given as 20 meters per second, and amplitude of the wave, this amplitude of the wave is given as 0.2 centimeter, and wavelength of the wave is given as 2 centimeter. So we have to write the wave equation. As we know that the equation of a wave can have any of the four equation. Or a cos omega t minus kx, or a cos kx minus omega t, depending upon the initial phase difference or initial value of given phase. As we will see in the answer, they have taken the second equation. So we will take the second equation for the given sum. We can take any of the four. So y will be equal to a sin kx minus omega t. Now we know that k, that is wave number, is equal to 2 pi by lambda, and omega, that is angular frequency, value is 2 pi by capital T. Now we will substitute these values here. So it will be a sin 2 pi by lambda x minus 2 pi by t into small t. Now the value of lambda is given 2 centimeter, but we don't know the value of time period, that is capital T. So first we will find time period with the help of speed formula. As we know that speed of a wave is equal to distance upon time, and in case of wave we take distance as wavelength, that is lambda, and time as capital T. So from here capital T is equal to lambda by V. Now substitute the value of lambda and V, 20. So in centimeter. So if we will simplify this, it will come out 10 to the power minus 3 second. So this is the time period of the given wave. Now substitute all the values. Amplitude is given as 0.2 centimeter sin 2 pi by lambda. Lambda is given 2 centimeter. X minus 2 pi by capital T, and capital T we got 10 to the power minus 3 second into T. Now we are going to just simplify this. So it will become 0.2 centimeter sin pi centimeter inverse x minus, and this will become 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 second inverse into time. So this is the wave equation that we got. Now we are going to see the B part of the question. In the B part they are asking, it was the A part. In the B part they are asking, what is the displacement and velocity of particle at x equal to 2 centimeter at a time t equal to 0. So B part, the first question they are asking, what is the displacement, means y, of the particle present at x equal to 2 centimeter, and at what time? At time equal to 0. So we will substitute these values in our equation what we got earlier. So now substitute here. So 0.2 centimeter of sine pi centimeter inverse into x. At what x? 2 centimeter. Minus 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 second inverse, and time we have put 0 second. So into 0. Now just simplify this. So 0.2 centimeter sine, this will become 2 pi and this will become 0, and the value of sine 2 pi is 0. So 0 multiplied by 0.2 centimeter will be 0. It means that the particle present at x equal to 2 centimeter at t equal to 0 is at its mean position. Now see the second part of the B, that is they are asking the velocity of particle. As we know that velocity of particle is simply what? Velocity of particle is the derivation of displacement with respect to time. So we will differentiate what equation we got for y here. So now we are going to differentiate this equation. So if we will differentiate, we will get 0.2 centimeter. Sine will change into cos. So it will become cos pi centimeter inverse x. Angle will not change. 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 second inverse t. Now the whole equation will be multiplied by the coefficient of time, and the coefficient of time is what here? Minus 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 second inverse. So just simplify this. If we will simplify, it will come out minus 0.4 pi into 10 to the power 3 centimeter second inverse into cos of whatever the angle we have, pi centimeter inverse x minus 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 second inverse into time. Now we have to find this velocity of particle at x equal to 2 centimeter and at the same time, that is t equal to 0. So now we are going to substitute these values in the equation we got. So if we will substitute here, we will get minus 0.4 pi into 10 to the power 3 centimeter second inverse cos pi centimeter inverse x equal to 2 centimeter minus 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 second inverse and t equal to 0. So as we can see that it will become minus 0.4 pi into 10 to the power 3 centimeter second inverse cos, it will become 2 pi and this will become 0 minus 0, and the value of cos 2 pi is 1. So the final answer we will get minus 0.4 pi into 10 to the power 3 centimeter second inverse. If we will change the unit in meter, it will come out pi meter per second. So this one more part is there. Can you get different values of this quantity if the wave equation is written in a different fashion? Different fashion means if we will not take this equation, if we will take any of the other three, then the answer will not change. We will get the same value of y, that is 0, and we will get the same value of particle, that is minus 4 pi.